Welcome to episode 3 of Guess This Stain with Pro-X Carpet Cleaning. Here is a big brown reddish spot in a bedroom. Your job is to guess what the stain is or what it could be and whether or not it's going to come out. Let's start with a peroxide wash. This does really well on things like coffee, tea, pet accidents, soda, things like that. So if it reacts to this treatment, you know it's something like that. If it doesn't react, it's probably something like paint, dye, makeup, things like that. But it looks like this is reacting to this treatment. Now that the peroxide wash has had a chance to set for a couple of minutes, I'm going to apply the regular pre-treatment mix to it as well. Well, luckily for me, it seems to be coming out really well. And so I can go ahead and reveal what it was. The customer said it was a soda spill. So they spilled a bunch of soda. They blotted most of it up, which is why it didn't look too bad. So the correct answer is soda and that it would come out. A good guess would have been a pet stain, but normally pet stains aren't that big. So that would have been your clue that it was something different than pet stains. But luckily it came out and we're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.